Hi Shadows! Today I got another self-heating hot pot. Some of you might remember the last time I did it and I didn't add water on the top, so a lot of the ingredients were still really dry, so I decided to try it again. This one's the spicy vegetable version, so let's open this up. Oh, this one only takes 3 minutes. Oh, and it comes with dipping sauce. I should probably get a little bowl for that. I'm gonna put my dipping sauce here. Let's reveal the contents. Ooh. How do I know which one's the dipping sauce? I guess this is not it. Oh, it came with a fork. But I guess I don't need my chopsticks. I prefer using a fork anyway. Try not to break it. How do you... It won't... It's cute. I guess that's it. Okay. Wait, what? The last one came with like 2 containers. Is this one? Ooh, one. Wait, is there no heating pack? Is this the heating pack? I don't know, I can't read Chinese. It really doesn't come with a heat pack. Is this it? I don't think this is it. I'm scared to open it. I don't know. Damn it. Let me see the instructions again. Stir vegetable pack sauce, put it in a bowl, add warm or cool water, mix well and wait 3 minutes. This one's completely different to the last one I used. Maybe this is the heat pack. Wait, this looks like tissue. Is this a wet wipe? I think it's just a wet wipe. Damn it, there's no heat pack. How's this gonna work without a heat pack? And I can't tell which one's the dipping sauce. I feel like I should just boil the water and just dump it in here. Oh, let's just do that. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I added all the ingredients in, thinking that this was recording, but it wasn't though. Ta-da! Anyway, I got my hot water. Is that too much? Let's wait 3 minutes. It's weird that this one doesn't include a heat pack. It's supposed to be a self-heating pot thingy, like the last one. Ah well, alright, 3 minutes are up. It says this is the dipping sauce. I feel like I'm supposed to dump it in. Whatever, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look that appetizing. It smells like medicine. This looks like a type of mushroom. Ooh, it is a bit spicy. Gives me a got my milk. Let's try the fork they gave me. Yeah, this fork is shit. Let's just stick with the chopsticks. I think this is radish? I'm not sure. Actually, I don't know. Now that I think about it, I've never had radish before. Let's try the so-good dipping sauce. Wait, what? It tastes the same. Whoa! Okay, it doesn't taste the same. It's really spicy. Ooh. So good. It's like the lotus fruit. Is it meant to be crunchy? The one I'm used to is more of a softer texture. It's alright. Not gonna get it again, but it's alright. Not exactly sure what this was. Some sort of pickle? Good. I mean, it's not the best thing I've ever eaten, probably because it's healthy. I really like this though. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this a... maybe a 3. Is that too harsh? then again, I've just started eating it, so it might get better or worse. Like, what the hell? Is this one of those golden mushrooms? I honestly don't know. Whew. Uh-oh. The runny nose is kicking in again. This looks like bamboo. I feel like I should eat all the lotus roots first because it's the one that I like the least. I need more milk. I think the store I got this from also had the meat version, but I decided to get this one. It's nice to have a good balance. It's important to eat your vegetables too. God damn, how many lotus roots are there? There's so many. Oops, I got some sauce on here. Oh well. Oh, another lotus root has been hiding underneath. I think I ate it all. No, I dropped it. I feel like they added a lot of sesame oil because it just tastes really oily. I still don't know what this is. It tastes similar to jellyfish. I feel like it's one of those things I've eaten a lot during family gatherings without knowing what exactly it is. Yeah. Need more milk. I think I'm gonna run out of milk at this point. It keeps slipping off my chopstick. Ugh. Oh, these are caught one. What's this? I don't know, it tastes like a nut. Nuts. And these lettuce roots just keep coming back, don't they? Yeah, my rating just got lower. It just went down to 1. I don't want to eat anymore. I don't like it.